What is up, you guys? Today I'm back with another video. And this video is gonna be about my new fidget spinner that I got. I don't really get it. I got it on my birthday. And this fidget spinner is kind of like amazing to do tricks with. It's like amazing to do tricks with. You can do the switch with it. Switch. I can bounce it. Everybody can bounce it. And so comment down below for what videos you also want me to do, cause I don't know what to do. So you can like comment down below if you want me to do a Far Cry video or FIFA 16 video or a Minecraft video or Dragon Ball video or like anything. But if I don't have the game, I can't make the video. So just like in the comments, do say any game that you want me to any game about the video that you want me to do. And if I don't have the game, I'll tell you that I don't have the game, and that's why I can't make the video. And then you can tell me another game. So yeah, that's basically it. See you in my next video. Peace out.